Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. If you follow me on Instagram, you would know that last week I bought a hell lot of products from the brand called Good Vibes via the e-com website which is known as purple.com. I have done a unboxing or haul sort of a video in my IGTV and Instagram. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, surely do and check the unboxing or haul video there. A small disclaimer that all the reviews which I'll mention of the products are my personal reviews. These are what I have understood by using the products for the past 2 weeks. So please make your wise decision before going ahead with the products and choose them accordingly. So without any further ado, let's just get started with the video. I have used very minimum products on my skin today. I have kept it bare purposely for you all to understand that how the products have worked on my skin. Can you please ignore the small breakouts which I have here and there on my skin? These are very recent ones. I just got them last night or maybe last to last night. You can understand it's that time of the month. No product, nothing can help these stop from coming and showing up on my face. The first product which I bought is this one. This is the activated charcoal face wash. Now ideally I got this face wash, but after I bought so many products, there was a free gift with all those, which is a papaya brightening face wash, which is good actually. I was able to try both of them. Coming to this face wash. Now this one, it has helped me to suck out all the excess oil and sebum from my T-zone area. As you know, I am from oily to combination skin type, and I think I've mentioned this so many times before. So this one has really helped me with that. It takes out all the excess and impurities and oil from my skin. But the perfume of this product, oh my god, it is so extremely fruity. I don't like the perfume of the product, although they have mentioned in their ingredient list that there's perfume, which is good, but the perfume is just intolerable. So if you are like me, you can't take too much overpowering perfumes, then please stay away from this. But if perfume is not your problem, then you can obviously, all the oily skin types, you can go for this one. This is very affordable. Again, I'll keep all the prices and the links of the products in the description box below. Check it out. Also, I bought all these products in offer. There was some kind of offer running on the website, so these came even cheaper to me. These products are affordable like that also, and they came even cheaper after the offer price. Now this face wash, this one, I used this only twice because you can understand there is so little product in here. But the face wash, like the job of the face wash, it cleans the skin and everything. Both the face washes are same in that aspect, but this face wash has a very beautiful and mild papaya sort of a fragrance to it, which I really like, and it is very mild. It's not too fruity. Again, this is also a fruit, but it's not excessively fruity, and the face wash is very mild. I would suggest, if you are going to buy some kind of face wash from this brand Good Vibes, then I would suggest to go for this one. This would do the job equally, but it would smell much more nicer and pleasant. The second product which I have is a pomegranate brightening scrub. Now this one is from their pomegranate range. They have many ranges, the pineapple range, not pineapple, sorry, the papaya range, the charcoal range, the pomegranate range, the honey range. Anyways, I got this one. This had very good reviews on the website. This is how the scrub looks like. It looks like a thick whipped cream, and it has very mild particles. Like if you know, then walnut scrubs and apricot scrubs have very harsh and too gritty particles in them, which causes tears in the skin. It opens up the skin and causes minute cuts in the skin, which we obviously can't see. That is the reason I don't use them anymore. But this one, because of the pomegranate thing mentioned on the packaging on the website, I went ahead and bought this, and the particles are very fine. Like it has grittiness in it, but the particles are very, very, very fine and very, very minute particles. It feels very soft. Although the particles are soft, I would suggest you to go very gently while you are scrubbing your face. Don't be harsh. Again, you can cause tears in your skin, you can open up the skin, you can make it more prone to bacterial growth. So be very careful while scrubbing your skin, and scrub it twice a week, not more than that. The fragrance of this one, it has a very weird fragrance. I don't know, like it has pomegranate fragrance and something mixed with it, like something oil, some oily kind of a fragrance. I don't know, it is very like, sometimes I feel it's having a mild smell, sometimes I feel it's weird. I don't know if it's my smell senses not working properly or this product. Like I would have preferred this one if it had like mild pomegranate smell. Exactly, it's the fruit smell. Do I recommend this product? Yes, I do, because the smell, again, it's not like very much overpowering like the face wash one, but I recommend this product as a very mild scrub, and any skin type can use it because this does not rip off the moisture completely from your skin. From the pomegranate range as well, I bought this one. This is the pomegranate glow toner. This toner has my heart. In the longest time, I don't think I have used such a good toner. This smells so nice, and the spray, this spray is beautiful. It works so nice. It has very fine mist. Once you spray it, you can feel that it comes out very finely and very like what to say, very, it has a very, no, actually fine, it has a very fine spray. And the smell, once you spray it on your face, you instantly feel so much refreshed. It feels so nice on the skin. It is just a beautiful toner, has a good amount of product. It says it's created for all and highly recommend for oily skin, which is my view too for this product. Any skin type can use this. It moisturizes, nourishes, hydrates the skin, and for oily skin type you can definitely go for this one. It does not leave your skin too greasy. Next up, from the charcoal range, I have got this one. This is the activated charcoal deep cleansing face mask. The packaging of all the products are pretty nice. Like they have good like glass jar sort of packaging. They are nice, they are sturdy, they are heavy. Like it's not like flimsy material in there, which is great. Coming to this face mask, I'll show you what the face mask looks like. It might look a little bit dirty to you. The face mask, okay, it has a very bad smell. It has a very pungent smell to it. It reminds me of class 12 laboratory days when I used to perform practicals in the chemistry labs, and there was some kind of H2S gas in the lab. It smells exactly like that. It is so bad, like the smell. I don't know what is wrong with the products. Like each product has some kind of a smell in them, and this one smells so bad. I definitely don't recommend you to get this one. You can try other masks like the papaya mask, papaya brightening mask, I guess the name was. They're one of the best sellers and it had very good reviews. I went ahead and bought this because it was mentioned that it deep cleanses the face, it takes up all the oil. And since I bought the face wash in this range, I got this one, but now I repent for getting this one. I should have bought the papaya one. The price was also same and everything, but this one does not make anything good on the skin. Like, I don't understand this one. It has so bad smell and I definitely don't recommend anyone to go for this one. But again, if it might work for you, it hasn't worked for me that good. I should say nothing it has done to me. Next up, I have two moisturizers with me. This one is not a moisturizer, sort of a moisturizer. Coming to this later, first I'll tell you about this one. This one is the Saffron Nourishing Day Cream. I'll show you the product. Can you see the product? It is like thick whipped cream and it has so pleasant, it smells exactly like the enriching smell of saffron infused with some kind of essential oils or something. I just love the smell of this one, and once you apply this, like, you keep smelling like this one for a long time. The texture of this one is very nice, it's very thick. It is definitely for dry skin types. I have a oily and combination skin type, as I mentioned earlier. This one is too heavy for me, but my mom is from the dry skin type, so she used this and she is very benefited from this one. Like, she told she loved this one. I definitely recommend this one for dry skin types, but oily to combination skin types, please stay away from this one because it will make you feel too heavy and will make you more oily on the T-zone. If you're like me, like, you get too much oil on your nose, on your this region between the foreheads here, it will just make you too oily. But dry skin types, definitely give this a try. It is very affordable as well, so winters are almost like, it's almost autumn now and you can definitely try this one. The next moisturizer which I have is this one. This is the Good Vibes Orange Gel. First, let me tell you about the reviews of this one. I have heard so good reviews about this one from many YouTubers and from the website as well. There were so good reviews of this one. And orange gel, like, it sounded very interesting to me. I have never tried a orange gel before. So I went ahead and I bought this, and let me tell you, I don't repent for my decision. This is a beautiful product. Like, from all the products I got, this is my favorite and the most best product which I can recommend. I'll show you how the product looks like. It's a not transparent, it has a hint of orange color to it. It smells exactly like oranges. Once I open this one, I feel like there's orange packed in this bottle. And if you don't know, then oranges are rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, which are again in turn good for skin, good for hair. I definitely recommend. You know what? You should go ahead and buy this. Like, you, just like me, you won't repent for taking this decision and believing me or listening to me. Or it mentions in the packaging that there are multiple ways you can apply it directly to your skin and hair or mix it with other ingredients to suit specific concerns. Although I have not used it in the hair, I have just used it directly on my skin. And also it mentions that created for all and highly recommended for dry skin, but I would say it is good for all skin types. Even if you're from combination, sensitive, dry, oily, no matter, irrespective of the skin type, you can purchase this, you can use this, and you will love this product, I'll guarantee you. And if you're like me, you love citrusy fruit smells, then you will definitely love. And it actually smells like actual oranges. Like, it does not feel like there is added perfume in it. So I I can't stop telling good things about this one. You should buy this product and give it a try. The second last product which I have with me is the Good Vibes Rose Hip Radiant Glow Serum. I don't have any take on this product right now because I haven't used this product yet. I have not even opened the packaging. I've just unwrapped the plastic which was in there. So I actually, with skincare and these sort of things, everything, skincare needs time to show its wonders, its magic and everything. So it's not really possible to try out every product at a time. I like to give time. I like to have patience with the products which I use. So for that reason I was not able to try this, but I will try this and I'll review it later. So stay tuned for that. Till then, the last product which I have bought from this brand is this one. This is the Good Vibes Vitamin C and Vitamin B3 Skin Glow Serum. The internet is going crazy about vitamin C serums, and I never tried a vitamin C or any sort of actives on my skin. I was very excited for this product, so when I saw this on the website and it was one of their best sellers, I just went ahead and bought this. I'll tell you what views I have regarding this product. Firstly, it comes in a small glass packaging like this, which is pretty good. Like, the packaging is very nice, cute and beautiful packaging. It has a dropper which comes in this one. The dropper is also very good. It takes up good amount of product at once and everything. Keeping aside all those things, the good things of this vitamin C serum which I noticed. The first time when I used this, I was breaking out. I broke out on my chin area, my lower cheek areas, I broke out. My second use was also in that region, like I broke out, I had small bumps here and there, I got red. On the third use, I noticed that my pores in the skin has started to diminish. I have large pores in my cheek, by this regions, both on both sides. This one has really helped me with this. I won't say it has completely diminished because I need to give time with this product. Again, I need to be consistent with this one. And with this kind of things like the actives and all, you're not supposed to use them daily. You're supposed to use them twice or thrice a week, which I have followed. I have done. And yesterday when I was researching about vitamin C serums and these actives, I came to know that first when you use them, your skin will break out a little bit. Like, you are supposed to break out because simply skin flushes out all the toxins. I think it was the same with me, and now when I use it, I after 3 uses, I really like, I feel this product is definitely, like, it has good signs and it will show up on my skin very soon. It smells exactly like lemons, like citrus fruit. Again, I love citrus smells. It is vitamin C and it is supposed to smell like that. There's no added extra fragrance in it, which is a good thing. But the problem which I have with this product is that it mentions all the ingredients here in back. It has ascorbic acid, glycolic acid, lactic acid, licorice extract and everything. But where are the percentages? Like, I don't know how much percentage I'm applying on my skin. And after my research, what I've come to know is that when you are starting with actives, you should start with lower percentages so that your skin starts to get acquainted with the products, and not extremely high percentages, so that at once you face some kind of adverse effects on your skin. but this one has no mention of percentages, which is very disappointing. I want the mention of percentages in them. I think the brand, if they are hearing me or not, should really take some efforts to mention the percentages in the bottle, in the packaging, which will be really good in turn. And do I recommend this? No, as of now, because not of the product which you get or the quality, but for the percentages. If you are just like me, a starter in these things, then go for some other brands products which have percentages mentioned in them, so that you can understand how much you're putting on your skin and how your skin is reacting to it. Don't go for this one. But if you are in the intermediate range, like if you have already used actives and these kind of serums before, then you can definitely go for this one. This was very cheap. I don't remember the price, I'll put it in the description box, but you can go for this one. With that, we are done for all the products which I had with me to review and to share my thoughts on. I hope I was a little bit helpful to you all, so that you know, if you are thinking of buying this brand or trying your hands on this. Also, the Purplle website has, like, I have noticed most of the times they have some kind of offer. So these products, one, they are affordable, and two, if you get them in offer, they will be much more affordable. So definitely check on for the sale and go for the products I would recommend. And lastly, I would like to mention one thing, that these products which have worked for me might not work for you, and vice versa. So please, please, please make your wise decision and spend your money in these products. Like, share and subscribe to my channel, and hit the small bell notification just beside it to stay updated whenever I upload my next video. Don't forget to check the description box for all the product links and prices of them. Comment down below and let me know if you have tried any of the products from whatever I've shown you, or something else from this brand, and how it has worked for you. And also let me know what all products or brands you would like me to try out. I would definitely love to do them for you all. Until next time, lots of love. Bye.